Thank you all so much for stopping by today. So, y'all, I am super excited to show you one of the best birthday gifts that I have gotten today. So, by the time you see this, my birthday will have gone, but September is my birthday month. And I always tell, like, the people who know me, they already know something plant related, plants, something garden related is usually what will make me happy. And so since we've moved to the new property and we're still getting settled in, I just said today, I said, you got to pick your pace up on this unpacking, but I talked to Chris about it and we both agreed this would be such a good birthday present for me, just to get started back into gardening. Now, y'all know I said I was going to work on everything in phases. This is part of phase one, and I'm super excited to show you. So let's go ahead and let's get started. So I want to tell you what we're working with, what we have as part of our phase one, because I'm so ready to start planting, y'all. You just don't understand. I got some plants ready to be planted, and we're going to start those next. But I just wanted to tell you what we have right here. So first of all, I am going to link the company in the description. If you're in the Atlanta area, they do two styles of raised beds, and I'll put their website on there. So if you want to contact them, what I will tell you is I highly recommend them. And y'all know how I am about recommendations. I definitely highly recommend them. They're a husband and a wife team, and they did an outstanding job. And I already told them that I am going to be calling them again to expand. The wife and we talked about some different designs, because I kind of want to put a courtyard behind here, and she suggested that I expand this way because I'm not good with slopes or measurements. Well, I could do better. I won't say I'm not good. I just got to do better. We'll reword that. But she was saying, it slopes down. So if I wanted to expand, it would probably be better to go this way. So we're going to do that. But what we have here, we have four 4x8s and 24 inches in height cedar raised beds, and the company is Renew Urban Gardens. Again, I will put their website in the description. And this trellis, y'all know I had in the last garden. I had recently got it, but I left both of them behind. And I love this trellis. They're from Gardener Supply. So I figured this would be like a good entry. I wasn't sure if I wanted to. It took me up until the last minute because I wasn't sure what way I wanted to face them. The backyard pretty much gets sun from all sides, but I wasn't sure if I wanted north to south or east to west. So we decided on this as being our entry. And I may have, depending on how we expand up here, I could also have an entry right here. But this is just the beginning, and you always make different changes as you continue to garden. But this is the suggestion I want to offer anyone who's starting to garden. If you're gardening in raised beds, if you're able, because we all have different budgets, if you're able, go ahead and get you some drip ran. That was the thing in the old garden that I did after the fact, because I've shared with y'all how I used to be out, commuting, working, coming home, and out in the garden for like 2 to 3 hours when I got off, just making sure everything was watering. And over time, I was like, okay, as I expanded, we got to think of more ways to save our time. So we got it trenched to where it's running from the water source, and we got a timer, and Chris is going to read the directions and put it on a timer, and I think it's Bluetooth as well, and then he'll just let me know how it is. That's how we work it around here, and set it up. And they have it, during the winter time, we just unhook these so that the pipes don't freeze. And that to me, y'all, just having if you have a garden and you start to expand, or depending on what size, just having drip is a game changer. So we're going to put that on the timer. I just want to show you how it's set up. He had 4 lines, but he only used 2 because we're going to expand, so he'll tap into the other 2 at a later time. But all I got to do is set my plants up, just run it around the plants, and then put it on the timer and watch it grow. First thing we're going to plant in here are some herbs, because I got my herbs ready and set up to go. I do have a few calendula flowers. We still have our leafy greens that are in, they're still on the grow rack, but they're coming up beautifully. So we'll get those planted a little bit later. I'm going to direct sow some things in here as well, but I just wanted to let y'all know about the beautiful birthday gift. I absolutely love it. Like I told Chris, I am just so happy with the end results, and I'm just ready to start gardening. Y'all know I've been like, you know, kind of doing a couple containers that we had, but this is going to start, and then we're going to continue to expand. So I told y'all I was going to take you along throughout the whole process. So that's phase 1. Super excited to get some things planted. I got some things on the back patio that I definitely need to go ahead and get planted. Y'all remember I told Chris I was not going to junk up that patio, so I got some herbs that I got to plant, a few flowers, and then our leafy greens we started from seed. They're doing great. Not yet ready to plant out yet, but they will be really soon. I think I'll let them grow a little bit more inside, then harden them off, and then like bring them outside. At first I was going to say just go ahead and start hardening them off now, but I think I'm going to watch them just a little bit more. But yeah, y'all, I'm excited. This is phase 1. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, because we still got like phase 2, phase 3, got to get some trees cut down. But I think this is enough to get me started. And still unpack at the same time. So as always, thank you all so much for watching this video. Make sure you share this video with your family and your friends. And if you're not a subscriber, go ahead, tap the subscribe button, and make sure you tap the bell so that you can receive notifications each and every time we upload a new video. Again, thank you all so much for watching. And until the next video, bye-bye.